Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting a super fun project, recycling an old water pump that's been broken for ages. First, I take off the outer casing to see what's still usable inside. Then I clean off all the dust and rust stuck on the parts. Next, I prep a small PVC tube. And start winding copper wire around it. This step takes a bit of patience because the wire has to be wrapped tight and even. Once that's done, I mount the coil back into the core of the old pump. At this point, I'm sure you can already guess what I'm trying to build, right? Exactly. Today, I'm turning this broken water pump into a mini welding machine. Finally, I hook up the ground clamp and the electrode holder to finish the setup. And now it's testing time. I strike the welding rod and check how it performs. Awesome! The sparks are stable and the weld looks really solid. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun DIY projects.